Hey guys, Andy Stickle here. Hope you're having a good Friday. Wanted to show you something really quick. A couple days ago, you might have noticed that I put this poll up. I didn't really make a big deal about it, and a few people answered it, not a whole ton of people. But I wanted to kind of show you something that is really interesting for this, and it's something that you can kind of remember anytime you're putting together any sort of website content or doing any sort of promoting for your law firm. There's two options here. Basically, I said I'm thinking about putting together a free live training in the next few days. What would you guys be more interested in? First option is my three-step system to getting more law clients, and then the second option is Facebook ads for law firms. Now, this is worded very specifically for a specific reason. My three-step system to getting more law clients. Basically, what I'm talking about in this option is the end result. And then in Facebook ads for law firms, I'm basically talking about the process. Now, if you notice this, 10 people chose the end result, and 4 people chose the process, the Facebook ads for law firms. So that's actually about 70% of people said they wanted to learn about the end result more than that they wanted to learn about the process. So that's something to keep in mind. I was talking to one of my coaching clients today, and he does estate planning. So what I was explaining to him is that if you're trying to sell a client, it's going to be more effective for you to talk about the result that having an estate plan is going to give you rather than talking about the estate plan itself. So if you're trying to sell that, you can say, well, this estate plan, or say you're doing a trust, for example, you can say, well, this trust is going to ensure that if you die, your kids are going to go where you want them to go. Your family's going to be protected. Your money's not going to end up in probate and all. And that might not even be accurate. I don't know. But basically you can talk about what the result is going to be as if they go through and get your trust, or if they hire you to build to create a trust for them, rather than just going through in your advertising and saying, hire me and I'm going to build a trust for you. So that's something to keep in mind with everything that you guys do. Think about, how is the person going to benefit from your service? What is the end result going to be? And lead with that. And I've found in pretty much all the marketing that I've done, when I lead with the end result, especially for clients, when I put benefits to the user on the client, and I basically put what the end result is going to be. So on a personal injury attorney, instead of leading with we've gotten $50 million in verdicts and settlements, when I lead with you receive compensation for your lost wages, pain and suffering, and medical bills. The one that actually talks about what they're going to get and what the end result is going to be always wins. So just keep that in mind whenever you're putting any information out there. Always talk about the end result and talk about the results that you're going to get, and talk about the benefits of hiring you. Thanks.